Here's a video of my truck for sale, so people know what it looks like. The store. Storage. See, it folds up. That's my Series 7 radio. That can go with it if you want it. The subscription's out. I don't need it. Here's where you got a little scratch down the side. Probably doesn't even show up on the video. Little door ding there. I think there's a tiny ding there. Yeah, you can see that. Truck tailgate. There's the bed. Tailgate works. Little scratch here. Paint's a little fading here. Look at that, these wires need to be redone. Someone can do that. Here's the rest of the car. There's a little, let's see if I can get it right. There's a little dent there where it got folded in, but it just popped right back out when it happened. Interior. See the mileage, 98,613 right now. Radio works. Windows all work. They go down, come up, back one, down, up, rear slider in the back. Motor looks like this. Here's the motor. You can hear it running. Hopefully that helps you make up your mind. It's a good truck. My loss, your gain.